around, say ready, and I'll give command for all 4 guns. And then after that, launch the rest of it.
Mēs saprotam, kā strādās karavīri un ko no viņiem sagaidīt. Kā arī mēs viņiem palīdzam strādāt NATO vidē, un pateicoties tam, viņi var aizbraukt mājām, atnest vēsti par to, kā ir jāstrādā, kāda ir sadarbība ar citām NATO valstīm un uz ko viņiem pašiem ir jābūt gataviem.
Our mortars have ability to shooting on maximum range about 7 kilometers, so it's quite good ability for supporting our company when he moving to the back in defense or to attacking on some observation post. I think the artillery and mortars are good guns for support, and without these guns, infantry don't attack to the some places.
We can improve the interoperability between us and our allies. And after this exercise, we hope that we will go home with some more experience. And when I say that, I refer to some more experience in working with the allies, as so in case of a major conflict or things like that, we will be able to work together and to have success.